about the people who are putting information out there that is incorrect about vaccines. They oftentimes are doing it because they're trying to sell you something. They're trying to sell you an alternative. They're trying to sell you an unregulated prevention. I have plenty of families come in asking, what vitamin should my kiddo be on to protect their immune system? Really, there's no vitamin that has been studied that says if you take this amount of vitamin C, you'll never get a virus again. That's not a real thing. We know that vaccines give you real protection and are studied and regulated in a way that these supplements, these vitamins aren't.
Talk to your healthcare provider about which vaccines are right for you and your family.